Welcome to American Dream TV. I'm your host, Amy Patton.
Finally here at the Post, Houston's newest town square, and we have a lot in store for y'all today.
And I'm excited to introduce you to one of Houston's most popular destinations, the Galleria.
My name is Ivan Arjona, and today I'm going to introduce you to my hometown, The Woodlands.
We are thrilled to be here in our hometown community of League City.
Drew and I are putzing around Houston, trying to find the best taco Houston has to offer. Let's go check it out.
Yeah,